Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Learn with me ABCD alphabet with picture. Let's get start. A for apple, B for ball. Say B for ball. C for camel. Say C for camel. D for dinosaur. Say D for dinosaur. E for elephant. Say E for elephant. F for flower. Say F for fish. Z for cat. Say Z for cat. H for hen. Say H for tell me hen. I for ice cream. Yummy yummy ice cream so cold. J for jelly. Say J for jelly. K for kite. Say K for kite. L for lemon. Say L for lemon. M for mango. Say M for mango. N for newspaper. Say N for newspaper. O for ox. Say O for ox. P for parrot. Say P for parrot. Q for quiet. Say Q for white. R for rose. Say R for rose. S for sun. Say S for sun. T for tiger. T for tree. T for teddy and train. U for umbrella. Say U for umbrella. V for village. Say V for village. W for well. Say W for well. X for X-ray. Say X for X-ray. Y for yak. Say Y for yak. Z for zoo. Say zoo.